Knocking 3 times before entering a room should be second nature. Even if you've been told that the room is unoccupied, there can still be surprises. Indeed, you are entering the guest's privacy. That's why you should always say yourself. Before entering the room, knock while announcing housekeeping. Wait a few seconds and then knock again. Repeat the process 1 time. Knocking 3 times gives the customer time. If they are present in the room to react, knock with your hand and not with your key or any other object that could damage the door. You can then slowly and gently crack open the room door. Warmly announce yourself with a housekeeping. Hello? This approach is meant to avoid surprising the guest if they didn't hear you knock on the door. Indeed, hotel room doors are often fireproof, and so they are soundproof, which may result in the guest not hearing you. Hang the cleaning in progress sign on the door handle before entering the room. For safety reasons, always work with the door closed. More explanations will be provided in the tutorial for your safety and that of the guests. Upon entering, turn on the lights and open the curtains. You'll see better for cleaning, avoiding tripping injuries. Open the window to air out and refresh the room's air in order to reduce the microbes present in the space. If the windows don't open, turn the ventilation system to its maximum. Put on your gloves before you start removing the dirty items to protect yourself from any risk of contamination. Empty trash bins and remove dirty laundry from room and bathroom. Reuse one of the trash bags found in the room or bathroom bin to be more efficient. If your establishment doesn't have plastic bags in trash bins, empty them directly into trash bag cart. Be careful. Never put your hand in the trash to remove dirty items. There could be glass or needles, and you could hurt yourself. The items for removal from the room are the trash bins, the opened welcome products like soaps and gels, shower, the bed sheets while checking beforehand that no guest clothing or TV remote is present in the sheets. Remove the bedding from the bed. Start removing pillowcases. Hold the pillowcase by the sewn end, then slide your hand into the bottom of the cover to remove the pillow. Place pillowcases in center of bed. Start laundry bundle. Next, remove the duvet cover by grabbing each corner of the duvet to fold it like a wallet. Slide your hand into the cover to grab the upper left corner of the duvet and bring it over to the lower left corner. Do the same, similarly, for the upper right corner, which must be brought to the lower right corner. Carefully fold the duvet in 3 widthwise. Remove the duvet while keeping it folded like a wallet. This will help you when making the bed. Then remove the sheets from the bed, wrapping the rest of the dirty laundry to form a bundle. This technique eases transport of laundry to the cart and prevents laundry from dragging on the floor. Place the bundle in the bag or in the dirty laundry bin. Remove the leash for any stains. The duvet and pillows should always be placed on a clean surface, like a table, for example, but never on the floor. Finally, remove the dirty laundry and bathroom items and take them to your cart. Check the folded towels. The guest may have used them and folded them. If possible, make just 1 trip to avoid unnecessary back and forth. However, if there's a lot of dirty laundry, make 2 trips so you don't carry too heavy a load. Remember, knock 3 times before entering the room. Appropriately signal the cleaning with the designated sign. Air out the room to refresh the air. Wear your gloves to remove the trash and dirty laundry. Make a bundle of dirty laundry to make it easier to transport.